Does that look good? Sabaydi. Hi everyone, welcome to Gigi Lao's kitchen. Today I am going to show you how to make the fried pork rib, okay? And I have all my ingredients here. I have lemongrass and garlic, salt, chicken flavor, black pepper, cilantro seed, and this is white soy sauce. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and start cut my pork rib first. Okay, let me put my glove on. Okay, it's something very easy to do it. Okay, I'm gonna flip this way so I see where I'm going from here. Okay, so you're gonna feel that rib bone. Okay, make sure they all take off the piece like that. Okay, let me put my stuff away and I'm gonna do. Okay, I always do a start with lemongrass first. Okay, now we can go ahead and put black pepper, cilantro seed, we put garlic in. Okay, look like everything looks very good right there. Okay, and I'm gonna go ahead and put this chicken flavor in here. Salt, my soy sauce. Then we're gonna go ahead and put all this stuff in. Okay. Now I'm gonna mix it real good, okay? You wanna make sure all the seasoning get into your pork, and you know, you wanna do this like for at least 5 minutes. You know, that way it's make the meat is more tender. Okay. I'm massaging my pork rib for 5 minutes, so it's good now. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it up here. I mean in the bowl. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna wrap it up and put in the refrigerator for 45 minutes before I can deep fry. Okay. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put in refrigerator for 45 minutes. Okay, it's about 45 minutes now. See, I seasoning really good, and then I use a vegetable oil to cook. Right now I start with the medium high heat. Test my oil. Yeah, that should be hot, perfect right there. Kind of like see the bubble in my bamboo stick. Okay. Then I'm gonna go ahead, put it in, and then we wanna put the meat side, the one with the meat side up down, okay? Oh wow, that looks perfect. Go ahead, get it out. I'm just gonna go ahead take out the small one first, okay? Sometimes like the big rib is not cooked good enough, so I might leave couple more minutes, okay? But the small one, see, is beautiful, golden color. Okay, just leave this few more minutes and we finish. All right, they are done. Looking good. You know, this is good, perfect with sticky rice and long bean salad. That's gonna be awesome. Oh wow, look at that. Good? See? Smells so good. And let me taste it out, see how it tastes, okay? And what I have here, when you do the pork rib or any kind of barbecue, it's always like good with the long bean salad, cucumber salad, papaya salad, or with the sticky rice. Wow, let me taste this first. Sap. So good. มากินข้าวมากัน Come on guys.